Hello everyone, welcome back to Health Naturally. Today we will be discussing about thyroid problem and how Ayurveda can help it to keep it under control. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to Health Naturally where I upload health related videos every Saturday at 7 p.m. Like, share and comment, and also share it with your friends and family members and get the benefit of your health from your home. The thyroid is an important part of the human endocrine system, which are responsible for regulation of oxygen use, basal metabolic rate, cellular metabolism, and growth and development. The thyroid gland secretes T4, T3, and thyroid stimulating hormone TSH, which are needed for proper growth and development. Thyroid disease is one of the commonest endocrine disorders worldwide. Hormone replacement therapy has been the choice of treatment. However, alternative medicine approaches are gaining popularity in view of their efficacy with minimal side effects. The thyroid disorders are mostly correlated to the conditions Galaganda and Gandamala of Ayurveda. However, the two diseases majorly relates to nodular outgrowths of the thyroid gland, which can be compared to goiter and its types. The thyroid dysfunction is not characterized by prominent growths in the thyroid gland, but might become swollen and palpable. Types of thyroid diseases. Hyperthyroidism is caused as a result of excessive thyroid function. Hyperthyroidism is considered synonymous with thyrotoxicosis, a state of thyroid hormone excess. Hypothyroidism is the decreased level of thyroid hormones. Coming to the normal range of thyroid hormones, T3 1.6 to 3.8 is the normal range. T4 0.89 to 1.7 is the normal range. Thyroid stimulating hormone 0.17 to 4.05 is the normal range. How to know if you are suffering from hyperthyroidism or hypothyroidism by just looking at your thyroid profile. In hyperthyroidism, thyroid stimulating hormone is low and T4 hormone is high. In hypothyroidism primary, TSH, that is thyroid stimulating hormone, is high and T4 hormone is low. In hypothyroidism secondary, both TSH and T4 hormone is low. Coming to difference between hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. In hypothyroidism, etiological factors are those people living sedentary lifestyle, following irregular sleeping habits, and sometimes it may be due to hereditary. These are the symptoms seen in hypothyroidism: weight gain, lethargy, decreased libido, fatigue, weakness, dry skin, increased appetite, increased thirst, mortality due to complications such as cardiovascular disease. Coming to hyperthyroidism, etiological factors are stress and other psychological causes. Symptoms of hyperthyroidism: fatigue and inability to conduct day-to-day activities, weight loss, palpitation, diarrhea, muscular wasting, predominant venation, prominent visible joints due to muscle wasting. Home remedies to be followed in thyroid diseases. Flaxseed is an important home remedy for normal functioning of thyroid gland. Flaxseed is common in essential omega-3 fatty acids. People suffering from hypothyroidism should take flax seeds regularly to regulate the functioning of the thyroid gland. Dosage: take 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder with water regularly to balance the thyroid hormones. Ginger is an important home remedy for thyroid functioning. Ginger is rich in zinc, potassium, and magnesium. Ginger is a good herbal remedy as it has anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger may be used in various ways to treat thyroid disorders. Dose: drink ginger tea or consume it in dried form to treat hypothyroidism. Coconut oil is a good remedy for treatment of thyroid disorders. Coconut oil may be used as a cooking oil to maintain the normal functioning of the thyroid gland. Dose: take a glass of milk and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and drink it every day to regulate the thyroid gland. Exposure to sun is also a good remedy for regulating the function of the thyroid gland. Expose your body to sun for 10 to 15 minutes every day to maintain healthy immune system. Good exercise and yoga asana may also help in regulating the functions of the thyroid gland. Iodine-rich food also helps in regulating and normalizing the function of the thyroid gland. A fine paste made of vegetable jalakumbi, pistia staticis applied over the affected part helps in reducing the swelling. The juice obtained from the jalakumbi should be given in dosage of 11 to 22 grams a day. Do's and don'ts in hyperthyroidism. Do's: antioxidant-rich foods, anti-inflammatory foods, good fats, healthy protein foods, anti-inflammatory herbs and spices, calcium-rich food, magnesium-rich foods, selenium-rich foods, vitamin D-rich foods. All these should be taken regularly. Don'ts: gluten, trans fats, sugar and high fructose corn soup, artificial sweeteners, artificial and processed foods, caffeine, hormones, pesticides, genetically modified GMO foods. These should be avoided in hyperthyroidism. Hypothyroidism diet food: wild caught fishes, coconut oil, seaweeds, probiotic-rich foods, sprouted seeds, clean water, high fiber diets, fruits and vegetables, and bone broth should be taken in hypothyroidism. Foods to be avoided in hypothyroidism: cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage should be avoided. Gluten-rich food should be avoided. Sugar foods should be avoided. Fatty foods should be avoided. Processed foods should be avoided. Coffee should be avoided. Limiting or trying to avoid these foods will help with hypothyroidism and treatment. This video is just for information and education purpose. It should not replace your medical consultation. If you have any queries, it's always better to consult a registered Ayurveda doctor near you. Thank you.